Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, just doing a really quick simple fall tutorial for you guys. My friend Cass here was going out for Halloween this night and she was dressing up as a flamenco dancer, and I really wanted to do something pretty that complemented her natural red hair and her costume. I think this look turned out really great, guys, so please stay tuned if you would like to see how we achieve the look. So I started out with her brows using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Chocolate. I did use the lighter side because it was more of a warmer auburn shade and it really matched her brow hairs perfectly. As a shadow base and to highlight under her brows, I used the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in light, and I used the shade NC50 all over. So don't kill me, guys, but I don't have the specific names that I used of the specific shadow names that I used on her. I'm sorry. Because I used my Morphe 35M Boss Moods palette, and the names are not on the back of the palette and they're not like on the palette like underneath the shadows. They were on like a plastic little sheet, but of course that probably got lost or thrown away somewhere. I really don't know, but I used a lighter kind of caramel brown shade, a deeper brown shade, and also kind of like an orangey golden shade because we were just kind of going for a really warm, pretty look like I said in the beginning. So just kind of stay tuned and watch me apply the shadows. Thanks, guys. So for her foundation, I used one of my favorites, which is the Graftobian HD Glamour Cream Super Palette in Warm. And I mixed the shades Graceful, Swan, and I can't pronounce the other one. I think it's Ingenue. And I'm not even sure if that's a word, but that's what it says on the back of the palette, and those are the shades that I mixed. And I'm just blending that out with the Beauty Blender. And I'm just taking a large foundation brush and applying the NW15 MAC Studio Finish Concealer, again in her highlighted areas, under the eyes, on the bridge of her nose, her forehead, and her chin. So I didn't do any cream contouring on her that night. I just used the Anastasia Medium Contour Kit. I thought that it would give the look more of a fresh face just to only use the powder contour. And then I just added a little bit of MAC's Peaches blush to the ball of her cheeks. For her highlighter, I used a really pretty golden shade. I used the Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. To finish off the look, I thought it'd be really cute to do like a poppin' red lip. So I just lined her lips with MAC's Cherry Lip Liner, and then also filled the lips in with that as well. And then I topped it with Colored Raine's Vanity Raine Liquid Lipstick. And here is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much if you stay tuned into the end of this video. I love how this look came out on her because she is not like a really big makeup girl, but this look complimented her so well. So please give this video a thumbs up if you like how to look as well. I'm all stuttering. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah.